Welcome to Minexa.ai. Today, I'll show you how to easily scrape petition campaigns from change.org with no technical skills needed. Let's get started extracting powerful advocacy data automatically. Here I am, navigating to the change.org page that already shows the results. Then, open the extension by clicking the icon at the top of the browser. With the panel open, click I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can analyze the layout and detect the petition campaigns. Minexa.ai just figured out where the data is and how the site navigates. Just the list, or should Minexa.ai scrape each results detail page too? Head straight to Continue Advanced if a filter needs selecting or a button clicking before the list shows. The highlighted area is your data. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai studies it once, knowing what to pull every time. All data points detected, select what you need. For petition campaigns, this includes titles, signatures, dates, and causes, ensuring consistency every run. Developers. Click API Request. The scraper knows exactly what to extract, so each page processes instantly. Click Complete Configuration. One click, and everything is locked in. Pagination detected. Your scraper collects the complete result set on every run. Final screen. Connect Google Sheets if useful. Set a frequency if needed. Then, create the job. Hit Run, and extraction begins across all pages. The scraper is saved and reusable forever. Run it on any similar page on this site through the extension or API. Same trained template, same accurate output at any scale you need. Typical data points include petition titles, number of signatures, campaign descriptions, and dates, all organized neatly for easy analysis. Download the dataset. Every result is in its own row with all fields in separate columns. Minexa.ai works for anyone who needs data from the web. For developers, it replaces an entire scraping stack with a single API call and consistent deterministic output.